Let's have a look at my tranny. Transom, that is. It's about this tall, 16, 17 inches. About this wide. This is 36 inches here. And it's gonna look freaking sweet. So here's the options. We got single motor mounted on the back, just like everybody else. Easy, reliable, do like steering ropes through here. Doesn't even look too bad. And you can take it off to transport the pig. Option number 2. Double inboard mounted trolling motors. Third option is very crazy. It is a V-twin, 670cc, 22.5 horsepower Predator engine. Maybe I could just take this off real quick. I'm gonna break it. What a pig. Reason number 1, I don't want to do that. Oh my God. That just about takes my damn breath away. Holy. Woo! Oh man. Okay. Settle down. There's 2 other reasons I don't want to do this. One of them is it's just a ton more complicated with a knuckle and an angle and bearings all going out, down back here, possibly with 2 rudders to steer it. Could turn it around and do a backwards transmission type of thing. Oh, it'd be pretty cool. Have this on my dash. Electric start. Cool as this looks, it would add like hours and hours and hours of fabrication, testing, different props, way too much money. And then there's only room for 1.5 people in here. So that's reason number 3. Trolling motors are easy. I only need to buy 1 because I already have one. I could buy 2 for under $300. I could do a 24 volt system. I'm also thinking I might just go a single motor in the middle. I'm not sure though. 86 pound thrust, 24 volt system, 1 motor. Just the same as my other boats, fast, easy, reliable. 2 people sitting in it, cruising down. Take advantage of its extra size. This is gonna be 9 feet. So, sorry guys, I think I'm just gonna have to use this on something else. Maybe the same thing, but cooler. And with Lumry. Hello to New Zealand and the Netherlands. I can't believe I'm getting so many messages from around the world. And global domination is right around the corner! Do it. Theoretically, somebody can launch this boat into the water, have their girlfriend or boyfriend sit here, get in comfortably. Hold on to that, please. And then they themselves get in to cruise. This person puts this back on. And then he has a backrest. They're tightly wound together. Her feet around here. on his big butt. Something else I'm going to consider doing is taking this and making another one shorter that's farther back for someone to ride that's bigger. This also might be a hatch for a single person version. Flip it down when you're wanting some company. Until next time. And I just have to keep looking at it.